Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Iowa State. I'm here to tell you about the new training processes that we have for our makerspaces at Student Innovation Center. It starts with Makerspace Tracker. Here's a quick rundown. Find the Makerspace Tracker on our website. First, log in, pick the makerspace that you plan to work in, and complete the required safety trainings. Find the tool you want to learn, click on it, and follow the instructions on that page. First, watch the videos. Second, pass the quiz with a 100% grade. And finally, sign up for hands-on training. Once you complete that hands-on training, you are free to work in the makerspace with that tool or machine. It's that easy.